A very warm welcome to everyone. So today let's start our class. So today we will do 7.2 of coordinate geometry. So let's begin. Question 1 says find the coordinate of point which decides the join of -1 comma 7 4 comma -3 in the ratio 2 comma 3. So let's start the question, which says let a as -1 comma 7 and b as 4 comma -3. So this point is a, this is b, and this is here p. We have the formula that says m1 x2 plus m2 x1 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 m1 plus m2. So in this formula we have to put the values. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3 comma 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. So by solving we get 5 by 5 multiplied by 15 by 5. By cancelling it we get 1 and 3. So the coordinates are 1 comma 3. So this is the answer. Hope you understand and like the question. Second question says find the coordinate of points of intersection of trisection of a line segment joining 4 comma -1 and -2 comma -3. So for this we say m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m2 y1 plus m1 y2 upon m1 plus m2. By taking out this formula we say that 1 multiplied by -2 plus 2 multiplied by 4 upon 1 plus 2 and 1 multiplied by -3 plus 2 multiplied by 1, sorry, -1 upon 2 1 plus 2. By solving we get 6 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 6 we get 2, so the coordinates are 2 comma -5 upon 3. So hope you understand the question. Therefore the ratio is AQ ratio QB, that says 2:1. So hope you understand till here. So by putting the formula, that is m2 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. By putting the values we get 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1 comma 2 into -3 plus 1 into -1 upon 2 plus 1. We get 0 plus 7 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. So we have 0 comma -7 upon 3 answer. So this is the coordinates of the question. Question number 3 says to conduct a sports activity or school playground that is rectangular shape ABCD, lines have to be drawn within the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter each other along AD. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD and second line posts a green flag. Preet run 1/5 distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. What distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post red flag, what distance? Blue flag exactly halfway between the line segments joining the two flags. Where should she post her flag? So we have to find the coordinates. So first say coordinates of flag posted by Niharika. Flag posted by Niharika, that is 2, 1/4 of 100. We get 25. So we get 2, 25. This is of Niharika. Next, coordinates of Preet. Flag posted by Preet. So we have 8, 1/5 multiplied by 100. We get 20. So we get 8, 20 of Preet. Then we have to find the distance between two flags. That is NP. So 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square. We have put the distance formula. We get 36 plus 25 whole root. We get 80. We get 61. So for Rashmi, we have to find the midpoint. So by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus y2 x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2, we have to find the coordinates of Rashmi, that is 5, 45 by 2, which we calculated as 5, 22.5. Therefore, Rashmi should post her flag in the fifth line of a distance of 22.5 meter. Hope you understand and like the video. Stay tuned and subscribe.